Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply wallpaper effect and frame on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So in order to do it, go to the settings, then to apply the change, go to wallpaper and style, then select which wallpaper you want to change, either the lock or home screen. I'm gonna stick with the home screen for now, and you can change the frame and effect. First I'm gonna show you the frame. So now it's without a frame, and now it is with a frame. So it actually chooses a random, not random color, but based on your wallpaper, your current wallpaper. I think I really like this frame, but maybe there is something else that I like. No, I think this one was the prettiest one. And you can also change the color for it. So here you can pick any color that you want, or just select a color that matches your wallpaper. So maybe let's set this one. Then I'm gonna click like anywhere. You can also set an effect for your wallpaper, like the blur, grayscale, colors, or dark. I really like the dark, so I'm gonna do it. Then I'm gonna click on apply and done. And you'll see that my home screen wallpaper now looks like this, and it looks really good. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.